Must try vegetable lo-mein. Welcome back, guys. In today's video I'll be doing some vegetable lo-mein with some pasta. Listen, rice is not always the best, neither pasta, but why not experiment and try to make like some Chinese food? So I gathered together my green herbs and spices, onions, bell pepper, garlic, and I diced them this way, and then I'll be cutting my cabbage. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, you all should know how to cut a cabbage or dice a cabbage. I do it this way because that's a girl's business. Feel free to chop it the way you want, and your carrots. Quick and easy pasta. I also took out some freezer green beans because I love it. I'll be using some hoisin sauce, a little spinach pasta I'll be using to make this meal. And these pastas are like slightly light green. So I boiled them, and then I added some avocado oil in my pot, in my whatever you call it. Then I added garlic, ginger, my bell pepper. I also used a little garlic paste in it. Once you saute your onions, I want them to get a little translucent before I add in my cabbage. I don't use a lot of seasonings on my cabbage. I use some thyme, which is dried thyme, garlic powder, oregano, smoked paprika, little garlic powder, and a little Maggi chicken bouillon. Not a lot of seasonings on my cabbage. And I love my cabbage really crispy. Then I tossed in my carrots, frozen green beans that are not yet cooked, and Jamaican style hot pepper. Then I added in my pasta, and your girl will be mixing this in, so sit, enjoy the ride. Then I added some hoisin sauce, and I'll be adding some sesame oil to it. Sesame oil helps to bring the taste and the flavor up. Look at this. Looks delicious, delectable, look tasty already. The different colors, this look rasta to me. Yeah, this looks more rasta to me. Anyway, yes, your girl did another one, and of course I had to share it for you to see what the finished dish will look like. And I served this with some oven style baked chicken. Yes, I did not do a video to show you that part. I just wanted to show you my pasta with cabbage and all the work, some veggies to help to balance out some of the carbs. Pasta tasted really good. If you choose, you can add cheese to yours. I didn't want no cheese to mine. More Jamaican style with the rasta colors. Listen, this was flavorful. And your girl had some plantains, so on the side I added some ripe plantains, which I fried in some coconut oil. And I added a little piece of my oven style baked chicken. I won't tell you my secret, but listen, it looks really good. And then I added a little drizzle of my sauce on it. It was spicy, it was lit. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And guys, please watch the little ads on my videos. Yes, watch the little ads, help your girl. Yes, thank you guys for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this video with a little, in it, Thank you guys for the support. This was another lit video, as your girl love to say. Don't forget to give your girl a like. It is free. Don't be mean with it, with a little humor. I do hope that when you see this, and yes, I forgot to tell you that I made a little tiny cornbread from scratch and it tasted really, really good. And this was a quick and easy Sunday dinner. No hassle, no rice and peas. Yes, a little pasta with some Jamaican style or homemade style cornbread. See you in my next video.